I remember the moment my car skidded off the icy road and the world spun into chaos, my life flashing before me like a disjointed movie reel. In that heart-stopping instant, I felt an overwhelming clarity, a burning desire to live more authentically. Surviving the crash was like being reborn, and I knew I could no longer ignore my true passion for painting. I quit my soul-sucking corporate job, trading spreadsheets for canvases, and poured every ounce of my being into creating art. The journey was grueling, filled with sleepless nights and countless rejections, but each brushstroke felt like a heartbeat, a testament to my second chance. Today, my art hangs in galleries and brightens lives, a vivid reminder that life's fragility can ignite an unstoppable drive. If you're standing at a crossroads, remember that clarity often comes from the darkest moments. Embrace it, take the leap, and let your passion become your legacy.